Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Have you thought about using a plant-based egg substitute for cooking and baking? In this video, I'll share a brief history of bird eggs, plant-based egg substitute advantages and disadvantages, mung bean egg substitute ingredients, nutrition comparison, cost comparison, and cooking and baking using a mung bean egg substitute. Bird eggs have been part of the human diet for thousands of years, and domesticated chicken eggs about 10,000 years. Bird eggs are versatile and nutritious. They are high in fat and protein and very low in carbohydrates. Like all animal fats, eggs have cholesterol, about 185 milligrams per large egg. For years, it was believed food cholesterol was a major contributor to high blood cholesterol. Today, most people can eat high cholesterol foods in moderation without raising blood cholesterol. Some people with high blood cholesterol still need to limit dietary cholesterol. All plant food fats have zero cholesterol. Plant-based egg substitutes have zero cholesterol. Plant-based egg substitutes are 100% vegan. Unlike an egg substitutes are an ultra-processed food. Eggs have one ingredient, egg. A popular mung bean egg substitute has 15 ingredients. Two ingredients raising controversy are canola oil and tetrasodium pyrophosphate. Debate about the safety of canola oil has been raging for decades. I've shared some facts and myths about canola oil in a previous video. At least the maker of this egg substitute did not disguise canola oil by calling it rapeseed oil. But what is tetrasodium pyrophosphate, and is it safe? Chemically, it is a sodium phosphorus salt. Before you freak out about this evil ingredient, check the ingredients list for the marshmallows you and your family eat. Also known as sodium pyrophosphate, it is generally recognized as safe and added to hundreds of foods. While phosphorus is an essential ingredient, diets high in prepared foods may provide too much phosphates. They are in canned soups, hot dogs, and cured meats. If you eat a high prepared food diet, it's most likely a high phosphate diet. Also, anyone with food allergies should check the ingredients list for possible allergens. Like most foods, eggs and egg substitutes provide energy and essential nutrients. Any food substitute should provide the same or less calories to prevent weight gain. A food substitute should also provide about the same essential nutrients. This mung bean egg substitute has the same number of calories as a large egg, zero saturated fat and cholesterol, more than twice the sodium and carbohydrates, and slightly less protein. Protein provides amino acids. The vegan egg substitute in this video gets its protein from mung beans. Mung bean and egg protein do not supply the same amount of amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids that must come from your diet. The approximate amount of amino acids in this mung bean egg substitute ranges from almost equal to a whole egg to significantly less. For people eating a vegan or mostly plant-based diet, there are other sources of essential amino acids. Replacing some natural foods with processed plant-based substitutes may increase your food budget. In 2022, the cost of 1 dozen large eggs ranged from $2.99 to $6. Mass-produced eggs cost less than organic and other specialty eggs. The cost per egg ranges from 27 cents to 50 cents. The mung bean egg substitute used in this video retails for $4.99, but is available at some stores for $3.99. The 8 servings in this 12-ounce container equals 8 large eggs. That makes the cost per egg range from 50 to 62 cents, about twice the cost of mass-produced eggs. In addition to cost is shelf life. In the U.S., about 40% of all food bought is wasted. Chicken eggs have a shelf life of 3 to 5 weeks after purchase, while the use-by date unopened is about 3 weeks. Once opened, you should use it within 7 days. If you normally use 2 to 4 eggs a week, an egg substitute may not be cost-effective. Egg substitutes claim to have the flavor and texture of chicken eggs. Online reviews for the product I used in this video rated the flavor from just like real eggs to absolutely gross. My first attempt at scrambled eggs didn't look like scrambled chicken eggs. My second attempt was closer, but still didn't have the texture of scrambled eggs or look like the photo on the manufacturer's website. I give the flavor 3 stars. It tasted more like beans than eggs. The texture of scrambled eggs can range from runny to firm, so I give the egg substitute 4 stars. When used to make waffles, I didn't notice a major difference in flavor, but there was a difference in texture. The waffles were a little chewier and tougher than when made with real egg. In an Italian boiled asparagus recipe, I give the flavor 5 stars and texture 4. Here are banana muffins made with egg and egg substitute. I rate the flavor 4 stars for its slight bean flavor and texture 3 stars. The muffins had a gummy, rubbery texture and adhered to the paper cup. I had better success with my double chocolate muffin recipe. For this recipe, I give the flavor 5 stars and texture 4 stars. Some takeaways from this video include all egg substitutes are highly processed foods. If you have food allergies, check the ingredients label for allergens. If you're looking for a vegan alternative to eggs or concerned about blood cholesterol, consider an egg substitute. In my test using a mung bean egg substitute, with the exception of scrambled eggs, the biggest difference was texture, not flavor. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.